Hi guys, this is Paul Extra Hyperactive, and in my previous video I talked about how you could take advantage of this coronavirus crisis that we're experiencing right now and how you could make some extra money. But I also talked about how this coronavirus crisis is just an opportunity for you to make extra money, which means that just like any business opportunity, it comes and goes. And as I said in my previous video, even though this is an opportunity, you still should be focusing on your main business, on your main marketing niche. But if you're an entrepreneur, if you're an online marketing, whenever you see an opportunity like this, always take advantage of it, but make sure that you're not just making money, you're not just taking advantage of the business opportunity, but you're actually still helping people. This is the most important part. This is something that most people don't quite understand. People who want to make money, people who want to start a business, for them it's all about how to make money. Those who've been in business, in online marketing, any type of marketing for a long time, they know that the only way to succeed is by helping others. This is the key, and this is the most important key that most people, especially those who are just getting started, they don't understand. Using the words of one of my favorite motivational speakers, Zig Ziglar, you will get all you want in life if you help enough other people get what they want in life. Meaning that, take for example this crisis, right? Or as I said in my previous video, there are a lot of people who are looking for protective gear like medical masks or gloves or goggles or hand sanitizers and so on and so forth. And believe it or not, there are people who simply cannot find those products even on Amazon. And if you're anything like me, if you really know how to find stuff on Amazon or online in general, that should be your opportunity to make extra money. As I said in my previous video, I don't really promote these products related to coronavirus, simply because it's not worth my time, my effort. But as I said in my previous video, whenever people are reaching out to me asking me, hey Paul, do you by any chance know where we can find these medical masks or gloves or goggles or hand sanitizers, all I have to do is just go on Amazon, find those products, find merchants who have those products in stock. It's not the problem to find those products, problem finding merchants who have those products in stock, and I know how to do it. And whenever people are reaching out to me, all I have to do is just, hey, here is the link, that's where you can find masks or goggles or gloves and so on and so forth. This is how simple it is. And I'm not sure if it's worth your time, your effort, but promoting this coronavirus related products is very easy. All you have to do is just find those merchants that already have all those products in stock and just send a link. And when it comes to commission, and that's the reason why it's not really worth my time and my effort, it's not a whole lot. As you can see, it falls on the health and household category, which is 4.5%. Like for example, these masks, they go for $22.99. This merchant is selling, and your commission is, like I said, 4.5, which is like $1. So I don't know if it's worth your time, but like I said, it's very easy to promote these products. As I've just said, the affiliate commission is only 4.5%, and even if you have a lot of traffic or a lot of people asking you where to buy those products, I'm not sure you will make a lot of money. The most important thing I want to emphasize that please do not go around internet, around Facebook groups and everywhere posting affiliate links, screaming, hey, this is where you can buy face masks or gloves or hand sanitizer. Even if you're trying to help people, right, even if people are actively looking for masks and hand sanitizers and all those products, because the way how you do it, because people one way or another, they will know that you are making money, you will be perceived as a scumbag. Okay, even if you're saying that, oh, I'm just trying to help, I'm just here to show you where you can make. People, one way or another, people will know that. So unless somebody is actually asking you where they can buy those products, or if you see somebody who's asking these questions, right, then you can help them out and provide a link. But if you just go around Facebook groups and go around internet and spamming internet with these links to all these Amazon shops where people can buy masks and gloves and so on, you will get a bad reputation. And like I said in my previous video, nowadays your online reputation, your personal brand is the most important thing. You can join different programs, you can promote different brands, you can change different business, but your reputation will stay with you. This is very important. Also, another very important tip I want to share with you. This is probably the most important tip of this video. When you actually focusing on helping people and you're being honest with you, saying that, hey, you know, this is where you can buy these masks or gloves, but by the way, I'm an Amazon affiliate or Amazon influencer, and if you buy anything, I will get paid commission. I'm not trying to take advantage of you, you know, I'm just being honest with you. People will respect that. And people will remember that even after that coronavirus is over. And if later on you're going to be promoting something else and people will see you online, and trust me right now, you know, if you're active online, it's really easy to be seen. People will remember that, and they will remember how you helped them. You remember how honest you were with them, and they would be more than happy to buy from you in the future. This is your opportunity, not just to help people right now, but to build your basic legacy for years to come. Also, when you disclose, which you have to do it anyway, right? Whenever you promote something on social media or your website blog, you have to disclose that you are an Amazon affiliate or Amazon influencer, right? When you do that, when you disclose that fact, when you're being honest with people, believe it or not, people will be reaching out to you and asking you, hey, how can I do the same? How can I make money online? How can I make money with Amazon? And that's your opportunity to make extra money. You know, all those online coaches, online gurus, I absolutely despise them, because most of them never had a real business, never had something real to sell, right? Other than all these bullshit books and e-courses and all that shit. Right? When you being honest with people, showing them how you actually make money, it doesn't matter how much money you make, right? Even if during this coronavirus you'll make, you know, 10-20 bucks promoting this masks or sanitizers or whatever, right? You're still making more money than some of those people. You know that right now with this pandemic, with the economy being shut down, with people losing it, people need to make money. People want to make money. And right now, this is your opportunity to help those people learn about affiliate marketing, about how to make money online. Not only that, but actually show them, hey, you can make money online and you can help other people. And later on, if you decide to build your own online course teaching people how to make money with Amazon affiliate program, or how to become an Amazon influencer, make money on social media, then you will have something to show for. You will have a story to tell, a beautiful story. You know, people will be more likely to work with you, to buy your video course or your ebook, when you show them the proof that, hey, this is how I made my money online during that pandemic. I didn't just spam internet, spam Facebook groups with affiliate links. I was helping people to find something that most of them couldn't find on Amazon without my help. If you're being honest, if you're being true to yourself, if you genuinely trying to help people, trust me, you will make money right now, and you will make money after this coronavirus is over, and you will be making money for years to come. Thank you for watching this video, and you have a great day.